come back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo back to school sandwich. You know what I mean? This is some and you know what I mean, and bread buttered off. Very simple, easy recipe where you guys can make at home for your student, for your kids, for your family, you know what I mean, for your daughter, for your son to bring to school and share with their friends. I say this on Chef Ricardo. Very easy. I will be coming up with some more back to school recipes soon, guys. So please follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and keep in update with Chef Ricardo and the team. Stay tuned. I love you all, and I will see you next time. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically what we're going to do now is to show you how you can make yourself, the kids them, a nice back to school sandwich. I'm gonna use some, this is some ham, roast ham. So first of all, butter your bread. Alright, you know, sometimes the kids want something to carry to school. It's a simple recipe, you know what I mean. Students might ask me for recipes, so I'm gonna just give them some simple. Sometimes you can buy the ham in the supermarket or the local shop. Alright, guys. Nice. So basically, finished butter. All I'm going to do now is put on some ham. As I say, you can get the ham in the supermarket to buy, or the local shop for the student them, or for your kids at home. Alright? Simple. Different kind of recipes, different kind of ideas. It's very important, guys. Nice and lovely. And this is just really nice. Yeah. So that's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Look at that. That is fantastic. And I mean, this is for your daughter, your son to bring to school in the morning. Sometimes some kids just want something like this to bring to school, you know what I mean? They don't want to eat all the school lunch and all these things. That's it. Simple little one. Back to school recipe from Chef Ricardo sandwich. You can put salad, anything you like inside of it, and bring it to school, the kids and with it. Enjoy the recipe. I will see you next time with more recipe like this. Bye bye.